Today we're gonna find the blind person. Grab your coffee, whatever you can, and let's watch.
I'm a sighted person.
I'm a sighted person.
I am a sighted person.
I am a sighted person.
I am a sighted person. I know you are a sighted person. Thanks God. Keep going.
Sighted person.
I'm a sighted person.
I am a sighted person.
Everybody describe the color red right now. Go.
I feel like you can't really
Yes, you
describe
can.
it.
Go.
I don't think there's a description for a colors. Like now, describe black. Black. We'll see what they're gonna describe.
Go. You're wasting time.
It's I don't know, Target logo, like
Oh, very that.
yeah,
very
yeah,
that.
okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Red.
Red. That's beautiful. It's like bright and like it's
What is he dancing to?
I was looking to see if people were gonna get like overly descriptive about things because that to me just logically felt like it would have been like a tell.
I think he is the blind one. That guy, he's the blind one.
Color to me. I'm actually wearing a red top right now, so I think it's vibrant. I associate to strawberries, I don't know, apples.
So for me, I associate red with fire, cherry peppers. It's one of my favorite colors to wear.
Fire!
Red lipstick.
Like
My
it.
question is, anybody like fabric the way that it feels?
I hate soft stuff.
You hate
I
soft
cannot stand soft stuff. Like a really soft blanket. Not for me.
I love like the feeling of like real leather. Like I'm sorry to the
Can everybody say what they do?
I am a author. I write comic books and novels. Also do photography, and I paint.
Yeah, for me, I'm actually a school counselor and a vocalist as well.
I work for a nonprofit that helps kids with medical issues.
I was
Leave what you do in the comment section. To me, at this time, I'm a shopkeeper and I want to be a YouTuber too, so I can leave the shop side and be a YouTuber. I always love creating things and why am I talking about myself? Guys, sorry, let's watch the video.
anxious that people were gonna think that I was normal.
I think that anything like that's more like on the philanthropy side, people would kind of assume you would have a reason. Like if you had some kind of medical condition, then you would want to help other people with that same medical condition.
I have a question for you guys as well. What is the first thing that you guys notice when you walk in a room?
Color of the walls, I would say, or wallpaper. I'm really, like I said, home decor is a really big deal.
There's other people.
Already?
Tyler, goodbye,
It's
man.
really hard to describe the color red.
Who was the hottest U.S. president? Go.
Are we looking at paintings here? Are we going back and looking at the old paintings, though? Because, and by the way, the wigs did take away.
It's a toss-up between Barack Obama and JFK for me.
Oh,
It's
you
hard
know
to say.
what?
Yeah. Barack Obama's a handsome man.
I'd say Teddy Roosevelt, just because I know.
You know, there is a cigarette called JFK. I used to sell it. I'm still selling it. But they're called just for kids. All the man smoking it and called it just for kids.
Like Night at the Museum, like that's all I'm going off of pretty much. That's it.
But to each their own, my friend. To each their own.
Okay, so what is everybody's favorite movie?
I'd say Pursuit of Happiness. I love that film.
Oh, I cried.
It's a great scene.
Everything Everywhere All at Once?
Oh my god, I was gonna say that. Oh my god.
I haven't seen it yet either.
I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry.
spoilers,
But the
no spoilers.
costume design, I'm just gonna say that was good.
Can anyone describe like a scene from a movie that they really enjoyed?
Oh, that's a good one.
Can we do TV shows? Sure. Because I'm a TV person. I'm watching right now House of Dragons. And do you remember that gold dress that she has with the sleeves that hang down?
Yes.
And then she had the delicate, like those beautiful gold earrings. I like the outfits of
Yeah.
Game of Thrones, but also the fact that it was like that it's not quite super red, but burnt red dragon.
I felt like that was just kind of overcompensating for something, and it seemed a little suspicious.
Does anybody have any pets?
Lots of cats.
Yeah.
I have a dog.
I had a cat, now she died.
And some fish.
Miss you, my cat. If you are around here, you're spirit.
Squishy. The logical name, and it's so cute. I love the way he looks at me. And my cat.
Everybody looks at this, his arm.
Yeah.
Lovely
And
eyes.
she stares into the
No.
fire. Oh. I'm an author, so I just
Brittany?
write things all day in my books, and I definitely got burned after that, and I probably would have voted for it
Okay, describe your perfect type physically.
I don't think I have like a specific type physically. Like I think I just like vibes, you know. I feel like that's not the
The
correct
blind
answer here.
is this
but,
guy to
I
me,
mean,
like
I don't know.
the way he
I
acts is
like who I like.
suspicious.
I don't
I don't
really
know if that's his nature, but
So like, yeah.
I think it's you now, by the way. Definitely.
I think it's
tall.
you, man.
I'm not super into incredibly like fit dudes because that makes me feel inadequate. I love a little chunky, like a Seth Rogen build, but like
Dad
tall.
bod?
Basically, yeah,
Yeah.
tall guys with dad bods.
I personally look at their smile first. I think that's really important to me, and you know that kind of gives me an indication if we're vibing or not, and if it's like a fake smile or, you know. So I think I notice that first.
I feel like this is pretty basic, but like nice eyes, like nice eyes.
this guy is not talking too much. This is not talking much, man.
Shout out to him.
Yellow brown hair and nice eyes. I really like gravitate towards brown eyes. I think they're really like sweet. You know, they're really welcoming. I have a question.
Oh, that's suspicious to me.
Do you wear glasses, contacts?
Okay, I'm gonna be really honest here, and this might give me. I am legally blind in my right eye.
That's either the world's best bluff and a great strategy, or like you're just being honest.
I wear glasses.
Okay.
Get her out! Get her out!
Let's get technical then. Wait, what does that mean?
So my right eye, I could see out of it. Like it's fine. My glasses are thick on the right side.
Does it feel lopsided, like on
Yeah.
your head carrying?
Yeah. So when I first put them on, when I walk, it's like whoa, like it just looks like crazy. So I will never have 20/20 vision, and my right eye will never be perfect even with glasses on.
What's the last concert you guys have been to?
I went to a Halsey concert because a friend had shut up. A friend had an extra ticket and they were just like, "Do you want to go see Halsey?" And I was like, "Fine."
I went to the Weekend concert, the one that he canceled. Yeah, the one that he canceled.
Oh.
It was yeah, it really sucked, but it's okay. But we understand we're a pathetic person, you know.
I haven't been to a concert in a while, but I'm going to the Harry Styles concert in November. To be great.
That's so lit.
In November.
Ashley, I had a question for you.
Yeah,
The children that you help, what disability do they have?
It's not a disability, it's just life-threatening medical conditions. So, I mean, some of them are disabled, but like not all of them are, you know what I mean?
Get out, guys.
Qualify. You just, yeah.
Get out.
I'm sorry.
No, this is fine.
I was just being honest, and I feel like I knew that was gonna happen.
Everybody was just trying to look for somebody, and so I was the opposite.
You blew out of
Rebecca, sweetie, I'm so sorry.
Using the circle.
Oh, hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Who is the blind?
I knew it. I knew it.
I knew, wow!
How?
Like, how you guys go to me? Because the second you guys started talking about eyesight and glasses, I'm like, oh, God, that's too much to think about.
That's what I get for being honest.
I knew it though.
I only went blind, started going blind buddy.
Okay. if you are watching and you said she was the blind one, you win, but I lose. I thought that guy, cause he looked to me like suspicious. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please, it helps me if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Goodbye.